To properly adjust and put on your wrist brace, make sure that the included metal splint is positioned so that the angle contours to the palm of your hand. Whether you're adjusting the brace for your left or right hand, insert the metal splint into the pocket that will run along the underneath of your wrist and secure the Velcro closure. On the opposite side of the brace, you'll insert one or both of the included plastic splints, depending on the level of support that you are looking for. With each strap threaded through its adjacent D-ring loop, slide your injured hand into the brace, ensuring that the metal splint runs along the underneath of your wrist. Then, simply pull to adjust and tighten each strap to your desired level of support, and secure the Velcro fasteners securely in place. And there you go. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. For more information and other great products, visit us at vivehealth.com.